Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW 3 or 4 series guys and you're trying to find where your AC pressure switch is located, stay with us and we'll show you guys and we'll explain what needs to be done if you're guys about to replace that thing. So make sure you stay until the end. As you know guys, 3 and 4 series, they share guys the same platform, same engine, so practically it's almost the same vehicle guys. BMW 3 and 4 series. And another thing guys, quick introduction. Every single car we get at the shop, including this one here guys, we make more than 200 videos, and specifically on BMW 3 and 4 series we'll probably even have close to 300-400 videos guys. Why we take our cars completely apart and show you how to fix things? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So all we need in return guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, so we can keep providing these free videos to you guys. If you need to buy any parts or tools guys, check out the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. You can see where you can get a new pressure switch from and other parts for your BMW as well. So now I'm going to go ahead, open the hood. Okay, let me open the hood and show you guys, okay, where that thing is located. Let me start quick by saying guys, okay, that most of the mechanical videos that we make on that BMW guys will be on our main channel, Auto Repair guys. The engine will be taken completely apart, the whole car will be taken apart guys, and we just did timing chain replacement that failed at 87,000 miles. So if you guys have a BMW 3 or 4 series with a 4-cylinder gasoline engine, you must see the timing chain video, because otherwise you may be spending $10,000 in the near future guys. So another thing, if you guys have problems with the AC compressors not working, okay, AC not blowing cold air, we'll show you guys how to diagnose the system. All these videos will be on Electrical Car Repair Live. This is our electrical channel. We have diagnostics videos coming for that BMW, engine codes, transmission codes, how to fix things like that. So please check it out guys and subscribe as well. Looking at it now guys, okay, your AC condenser, okay, it's on the front side in front of the radiator. You can see the AC lines. Okay, this is one of the lines right here. This is the high pressure line, and the low pressure line is all the way back there, and you can see the low pressure fuel port is back there as well. Okay, right there. So now guys, talking about that, the AC pressure switch should be on the high pressure line. Okay, this one right here. And checking it guys, okay, this is the switch. Okay, this is your AC pressure switch. That switch guys detects if you have enough pressure in the AC system to safely turn the AC compressor on. If that switch does not read correctly, or if it's not working guys, your AC may not work. And we'll guys have a video on our main channel, as I said, Auto Repair guys, how to remove and replace that switch. You need to follow certain procedures so you don't get hurt, because otherwise guys, okay, things can go terribly bad. So we'll have the video, check it out. But if you need to see where it's located guys, this is the switch. On some vehicles you have to have the system drained all the way completely before removing that switch, because if you remove it, everything will come out guys. All the Freon, it can get in your eyes, it can get on you, it kills the atmosphere, so don't do that guys. You have to have the system vacuum down and then remove it. On other vehicles you have a valve that actually will stop the Freon from coming, but make sure you check the video guys and you will see how we replaced it. So thank you for watching, please subscribe and see you guys next time.